Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on MSI Thin A15. So there are two ways of scanning QR codes. One will allow you to scan QR codes that you have physically with your camera, and the second one will allow you to scan QR codes that you have displaying on your screen. So I'm gonna use the first method first. Let's go to the camera app. Then you may need to give it some permissions for the camera access and all of that. Then you can just select take the QR code you want to scan. And yeah, before that I need to switch to the barcode scanner. Now I can position it in front of the camera. If it doesn't scan it, then you may need to click on it to make it in focus. Okay, now it has scanned, so I can click on it and you can see it is opened. I'm gonna close the camera app now. And this is how it works. Although you may want to scan something that's on your screen. So first I'm gonna open any website like that will show me a QR code, for example here. And we need to just simply screenshot it. So you can click on print screen on your keyboard, or if it doesn't work alone, then you may need to click on F and print screen at the same time. Let me show you the keyboard. Here's the F key, here's the print screen. So sometimes it'll work by pressing it alone, sometimes by pressing them both. But anyways, you can just now select the rectangle screenshot and select the QR code. Now it is copied to my clipboard, so I can go to a website called qrscanner.net and just click on Ctrl+V on my keyboard to paste that QR code. And now you can see it shows me the URL from the QR code. I can click on it to copy and it'll actually get me to that website. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.